back to my channel. I am hopping on here to do a quick intro for this video because this video has been so highly requested recently. I posted a photo on my Instagram story a couple weeks ago wearing lash extensions, and I told you guys that I started doing my own eyelash extensions now. I have fallen in love with the art of eyelash extensions and I'm actually going to become certified. I started doing them on my friends and then I was like, you know what? Why can't I do them on myself? I know they say it's almost impossible to do eyelash extensions on yourself, and it kind of is, mostly because of the glue. I do use professional grade eyelashes and glue because I want them to last as long as possible and look like they look when I get them done at a salon, and I have managed to achieve that. Now, before I get into this video, I want to preface this with a disclaimer. I am not at all teaching you guys how to do them or recommending you guys to do them at all. This can be dangerous if you're not a professional. Do not do this yourself. I'm just showing you guys how I do them because you guys requested me to show you how I do my lash extensions at home. It's pretty difficult, and if you are not experienced, you could hurt yourself, so don't do it. Okay, now that I got that out of the way, I wanted to let you guys know that I did film this video about a week ago. I took off any eyelash extensions that I had on. If you guys want to see a video how I take them off as well, give this video a thumbs up and I could upload that. I took off all my lash extensions and did a full set and filmed as much as I could to show you guys how I do it. You need a lot of patience because this takes a while to do. If I wasn't filming, it would take me up to 3 hours, but when I did film this, it took me 5 hours or something. It took me a long time. Okay, another quick thing I wanted to mention is you're gonna see a lot of tearing up through this video. So the reason it is not recommended for people to do eyelash extensions on their own is because the fumes of the glue irritates your eye and you just start tearing up, and if you don't put them on correctly and it touches your skin, it could be very damaging to your skin. That's why I have to be super careful with this, and I am not recommending it to any of you. When I originally filmed how I put them on, I was using the iconic Bond glue by Lashbox LA, and it is a very good professional grade glue. This is what I use when I do lashes on my friends and family. It is very long lasting, but I just had to stop using it on myself because I could not with the irritation of my eyes when I was putting on my lash extensions. So I recently actually just got a new glue, and this is diamond sensitive, and this is for sensitive eyes. It does not have latex in it. It has no fumes at all, so it doesn't irritate my eyes at all. Of course, I still use the same techniques as I'm about to show you guys, but my eyes don't get irritated at all. So I'm really glad that I got this, and I'm only going to be using this on myself. But again, if I was to do them on my friends or family, I would use this because it's so good and it lasts so long. Everyone loves this. And then on the lashes that I use, my favorite ones are again by Lashbox LA, and these are the Camellia lashes. They are mink and super soft, and the ones I have are the D curl, which is the curliest. I have a mix of 11, 13, and 15 here, so yeah. But with all that being said, let's get into how I do my own professional eyelash extensions at home. Let's roll. These are the necessities to do my lashes, starting off with the glue, of course, and a really good pair of tweezers is also a must. And then I already talked about the lashes. These are so pretty and light. I'm also going to use some Q-tips and this ring glue holder. And we can't forget the fan. This is very much needed in this process. It helps the glue dry faster and minimize fumes. So what I like to do is put the ring on the finger and add in a couple drops of glue, and I am ready to go. So here I am. This is what I look like without any eyelash extensions at all. I have a lot of natural lashes, but they are very short and straight. And the extensions are long and curly, so they're going to make a huge difference. You'll see. So I'm going to take a couple lashes at a time from the palette and dip them in the glue, and then wipe off any excess. This glue dries out pretty quickly, so I have to work really quick. First, I start applying the extensions to the lashes that are longer and a little easier to get to. As soon as I got the extension on the eyelash, I will right away fan it to make sure the glue is dry and the fumes don't irritate my eyes too much. Once I got a couple on there, I will brush them out and look for other natural hairs that are easy for me to add an extension to. If I need the help of my finger or a Q-tip, I do like to pull my eyelid a little to make it easier for me to apply the lash. I will sometimes use another pair of tweezers to try and separate and single out my natural lashes to make it easier for the extension application. I always have to use the fan to minimize the irritation. So again, all I do is look for a natural lash and make sure it's not touching any other lashes, and I will slowly add the extension, not placing it on top but underneath my real lashes. I find that much easier for me. Then I brush them out again while fanning as well, and as you can see, we got some on there. We are making some progress. Yay! They are looking good. All I have is my inner corners and I'll be done. It is a little more difficult to do the inner corners, so I have to use a Q-tip. And here is my final results. One of the eyes are done. I am absolutely obsessed with the way they turned out. They are so long and curly and natural looking. As you can see, I already started a little bit on the other eye as well, but I'm definitely not going to finish the other eye in this video. I just wanted to show you guys one eye at least, because it's going to take me forever to do the other one. Even though they take so long to do, it's so worth it because they last so long and I only have to fill them in every couple of weeks. But I have beautiful long lashes all day, every day, and I love it. But what do you guys think of my lashes? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You have requested it and it took me so long to film and edit, so I hope you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye!